The World Cup winning Argentina has arrived in Kolkata late last night. Messi was accompanied in the city by Luis Suarez and Rodrigo de Paul. A massive crowd welcomed him at the airport. Now today the city celebrates will attend a meet and greet with Messi at the hotel. Among those expected are Subhashri and Churni Ganguly from the hotel. She will be present at Messi's felicitation at the Yuva Bharati. Actor Shah Rukh Khan is also expected to arrive in the city late at night to attend the concert.
Messi mania has totally gripped Kolkata. The fever is on, and right now I'm standing in front of that monumento. That's what Messi says. Huge monument, 70 feet monument that has been constructed. The Messi monument has been constructed here by obviously the Sujit Bose, who is a minister out here. This is the monument which Messi's father has always said this as monumento. This is the 70 feet structure monument of Messi, which will be inaugurated by none other than Messi himself through remote control.
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। गॉड को देखने सामने से देखेंगे।
देखिए धमाका तो पूरे कोलकाता में होगा, ठीक है ना। सॉल्ट में तो उनका एक जो मोमेंटो है उस पर भी होगा और अकबर जोहवती किरंगन में भी होगा। देखते हैं कितना क्या देख पाते हैं द गोट को।
क्या फील है?
This is the second time Messi is coming in Kolkata. We already saw that match Belgium versus when he came in 2012, and now this is the second time we watch, and I am really proud that Messi's statue is first and ever statue is inaugurated by Kolkata himself, and this is the Messi Square, I believe.
The Messi fever is high in Kolkata. Right now I'm in Salt Lake Stadium. Sometimes from now Messi will be here and everything is decked up. Everybody is getting ready. You can see the Indian flag on one side. On the other hand, you can see that Argentina flags and Indian flags together. Argentina flags and Indian flags together. Everything is ready to deck to welcome. The GOAT tour starts from here. From first thing in the morning, he'll do the meet and greet, and he will actually inaugurate the iconic monumenta that is 70 feet height. And after that, he's going to come to this Salt Lake Stadium. There's going to be a musical program. He's going to show also to do a football clinic, and there's going to be a celebrity match. Kolkata is totally mad now in the mania of Messi, and this is called Messi mania. Everything is now just ready for the god of the football to come, and Kolkata means football, and that's why everybody has just gone crazy.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेसी का साथ जाएगा भेंट करने। तो वो दादा जो शतबीर हमको बुलाया, जो वो दादा 2.5 साल से मेसी के पास जाके वो ठीक के आज अब इंडिया में आएगा, मेसी को इंडिया में ले आता है दादा।
I'm very big fan, but I'm not as big a fan of him as Taimur is. I'm very big fan, but I'm not as big a fan of him as Taimur is.
Now we're seeing that Argentinian legend and footballer Lionel Messi is now present in Kolkata. He arrived late last night and he is set to inaugurate a 70-foot statue today at the Salt Lake Stadium. We can all see the fans have received him at the airport and now also are present in the Salt Lake Stadium awaiting his arrival. Now he's going to be present at the Salt Lake Stadium at any time, and he will be accompanied by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and actor Shah Rukh Khan is also expected to arrive. Joining us now is CNN News 18's Kamalika Sengupta. She's live from the Salt Lake Stadium. Kamalika, what is the mood in the stadium? How are the people reacting? And when is Messi due to arrive?
It's entire.
मेरा ड्रीम, हमारा ड्रीम।
आप कहाँ से आए हो?
We are there from Kerala.
इतना दूर से to see Messi.
Yes.
What is Messi to you all?
It's very God.
Messi is a great player actually.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. So, they are come from Kerala, and that is the place where Messi is. That, he's putting up in this hotel. He's going to do the meet and greet and then the inauguration of the statue. And from there, he'll come directly to this stadium. Where are you from?
Barashat.
Barashat. So how is it, to see Messi today?
Obviously, I was enthusiastic very much.
Could not sleep at night, something.
Definitely.
So it almost seems it's Argentina out here. From where you have come?
Kolkata.
Calcutta. So what is Kolkata and football fever and Messi all about?
All big.
All big. You have come from
I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata. So what's Kolkata and what's so great thing about Messi, Kolkata football fever?
See, first of all, we all know that Kolkata is the mecca of Indian football and Messi is the GOAT. So we will welcome him with open arms and show him that the last time that he came here was for a professional match, but now we are celebrating the true GOAT in the city and we'll make it a grand affair here. Vamos Argentina!
Could you sleep last night?
I was extremely excited and most importantly, I was having a night shift yesterday in my work. I changed it just because of this, because if I had working night shift, I have to wake up at 6 a.m. and I could not come. I changed it for this. This is the passion that we have and many people are doing the same thing here.
Crazy. It's Messi mania out of that here. There are some people, I've met one couple who have cancelled their honeymoon. I've met one guy who cancelled his exam and he came here with his father from Maharashtra. From Maharashtra, Prayagraj, Kerala, entire India seems to be here, and huge security deployment has also been there. 5 less securities have been there. 5 to 6 gates are there in this Salt Lake Stadium. It is seen that from 7 o'clock in the morning, the police is allowing the spectators, the audience to get inside the stadium. 3 hours of time have been given. But let me tell you, it's full Messi mania. There's huge excitement here and I'm excited too.
Right. Kamalika, can you outline key events for us? Like what does his itinerary look like and what is the schedule for today?
See, he has already arrived in the middle of the night yesterday. Today in the morning after 9 o'clock, he is going to first meet and greet with his sponsors, a lot of people here in this hotel. And after that, Shah Rukh Khan has also arrived. After that, from 9:30 to 10, he will be doing this meeting. And after that, he will be inaugurating his 70 feet huge monument, which he will be inaugurating from the hotel itself because of security reasons. It will be via remote. From there, from the hotel, he will directly come through this way and go into Salt Lake, inside the Salt Lake Stadium. There is a GOAT concert. There is going to be a musical concert. And after that, Shah Rukh Khan, Saurav Ganguly, Dada and Mamta Banerjee will be there with all the celebrities and dignitaries there. There is going to be a celebrity match between Mohun Bagan and Diamond Harbour Club. After that, there is going to be a football clinic where Messi will go inside the stadium and he might show his tiki-taki there, his skills there. And from there, he will directly go to the airport. So it's around 12 hours he will be in the city, but the city is absolutely booming in the fever of Messi.
Right. Also, we're getting that this is Messi's visit after 2011 appearance. And what does that mean for India's sporting culture, specifically football? Like the fans are very excited. So what does that tell us?
See, India is not in a very good state as far as the football is concerned. So definitely this type of icons visit will make some effect, because from here he is going to go to Hyderabad. From Hyderabad he will go to Maharashtra, and what we know that in Maharashtra there might be some exchange program. There is some meeting with Sachin Tendulkar, because Sachin Tendulkar is also 10 and Lionel Messi is also 10. So from there is some plan that some students may be taken to Messi's place and they might be trained. All sides of this type of contracts may take place. That's what we are getting it from the sources. And then finally he'll go to Delhi. So definitely a football god coming to India, a go-to, that's going to really have an effect on the performance, because Indian football not doing well. So let's hope that with the coming of Messi, there might be some difference. There might be, and specifically Calcutta. Calcutta eats, drinks, sleeps football. Calcutta's identity is like, as Durga Puja is important, so as football. So definitely some positive things will come out. That's the football lovers feel from Calcutta and also from India.
Right. Thank you, Kamalika, for giving us live inputs on this huge tour. Now let's